Hello students, today we are going to study about functions of management. So there are 5 functions of management. First is planning, second organizing, third staffing, fourth directing and fifth controlling. So first, planning. Planning is formally defined as a process of setting objectives and determining what should be done to accomplishing them. It is a decision making activity through which managers act to ensure the future success and effectiveness of their institutions and departments or sections as well as themselves. So, in planning, we decide what we have to do, how we are going to do. For example, we have to conduct an event. So, in advance, we will decide how we are going to do that, where we will conduct that event, where, when. So, time and place of the event. So, everything will be decided in advance. So, this is planning. According to Kuhn, planning is deciding in advance what to do and how to do. It bridges the gap from where we are and where we want to be. It bridges the gap. Importance of planning. First, it ensures success of the institution, eliminates trial and error pattern, reduces chances of failure, provides intelligent directions to activity. So, with the help of planning, we can make sure the success of the institution and reduce the failure. Second is best utilization of possible resources, improves quality of production, avoids wastage and stagnation, improvement in competitive strength of the institution. So, with the help of planning, we can reduce the wastages and make the optimum utilization of resources. Third, it saves time, effort, and money, avoids duplication of efforts. With the help of planning, we can save our time, money, and avoid the duplication of efforts. Fourth, it is a coordinated means of attaining predetermined purpose. With planning, we coordinate different activities to achieve our targets. So, this is the first and foremost important first function of management, that is planning. Second is organizing. According to Henry Fayol, to organize a business is to provide it with everything useful or is functioning. That is raw material, tools, capital, and personnel. So, what we require in an organization: raw material, tools, capital, personnel. So, we have to organize everything after planning. So, after planning, we organize, and organizing as a process involves first identification of activities. We have to identify different activities we have to conduct in order to achieve our objectives. And second is classification and grouping of activities. We have to classify and group different activities according to their nature. And third is assignment of duties. We have to assign the duties to the person suitable for the job. Next is delegation of authority and creation of responsibility. We have to delegate the authority to the person suitable and responsibility. Fifth is coordinating authority and responsibility relationship. We have to coordinate the authority and responsibility, that is between superior and subordinate relationship. This is organizing. So, importance of organizing is first specialization. Due to specialization, means that when a person is doing the job continuously, repetitively, he becomes expert in that area, expert in his job. So, this leads to specialization. Second is well-defined job. Due to organization, there will be well-defined job, that who is responsible for what. Third, clarifies authority. It clarifies the authority. Fourth, coordination. Organization leads to coordination of all activities required in all the departments. Fifth, effective administration. Organization leads to effective administration in our company, our organization. Sixth, growth and diversification. Proper organization leads to growth and diversification in the business. Seventh, scope of new changes. With proper organizing of activities, there will be scope for new changes, for growth, development in our organization. Eighth is sense of security. Due to proper organization, you feel a sense of security that you are doing what is required to achieve your objectives. So, this is the second important functions of management, that is organizing. Third is staffing. Staffing pertains to recruitment, selection, development, and compensation of subordinates. So, staffing involves all activities related to proper recruitment of staff, selection, training, development, and all that. According to Coons and O'Donnell, managerial function of staffing involves managing the organization structure through proper and effective selection, appraisal, and development of personnel to fill the roles designed under the structure. So, staffing involves all this effective selection, appraisal, and development of the personnel. So, these all activities are in staffing. Importance of staffing, it helps in manpower planning. We have to have proper manpower planning. How much manpower is required? Is there enough amount of manpower available? Is there underutilization or overutilization? Second is recruitment, selection, and placement. Staffing helps in proper recruitment of the employees, selection and proper placement, proper person, suitable person at the suitable job. Next is training and development. Staffing ensures proper training and development of the employees, which helps in achievement of organizational goals. Next is remuneration. Staffing helps in proper remuneration to employees, which motivates them to do their job. Next is performance appraisal. Staffing helps in proper appraisal of performance of employees. We have to appraise their performance, will inspire them. Next is promotions and transfer. Staffing helps in who to promote, who to transfer, deciding that who is to promote, who to transfer. So these activities are all involved in staffing. So this is third important function of management, that is staffing. Next is directing. Fourth, according to Eames Liddell, directing is what has to be done in what manner through dictating the procedures and policies for accomplishing performance standards. So in directing, superiors direct the procedure and policies in which way we have to do, and they set the performance standards that what we have to achieve. And directing has the following elements. Direction involves supervision, motivation, leadership, and communication. Supervision supervise the activities. Motivation provides the motivation to the staff. Leadership is to lead the team and make a team a good one. And communication within the organization to achieve the goals. Importance of directing. It initiates action. It initiates the actions. It integrates efforts through guidance, inspiration, and instruction to subordinates. So, with the proper guidance, it leads to inspiration to the subordinates. And stability through strict supervision. There is a stability and effective communication, persuasive leadership, and efficient motivation. All this can lead to achievement of our goals. Coping up with the changes. So proper leadership helps in proper direction, helps in coping up with the changes. Due to sudden changes, employees can get confused. So proper guidance can help them cope up with that. Next is efficient utilization of resources. Proper direction helps in efficient utilization of resources. Last function of management is controlling. According to Coons and O'Donnell, controlling is the measurement or correction of performance activities of subordinates in order to make sure that enterprise objectives and plans desired to obtain them as being accomplished. So in controlling, we check that we have achieved our objectives or not, or if not, we will take the corrective measures. So importance of controlling is it facilitates coordination, it helps in planning. With controlling, we can coordinate the activities and plan about the future. Steps of controlling. So there are 4 steps. First, establishment of standard performance. we will set the standard. For example, we have set the standard that we are going to produce some 1,000 units in a month. So second, measurement of actual performance. We will measure actual net. Actually, we have produced 800 units. So third, comparison of actual performance with the standards and finding out deviation if any. So we will compare 1,000 standard, actual 800. So we are deviating by 200 units. So fourth, we will take the corrective action, that why we are lacking, where we are lacking, what is the corrective measure we can take to handle. So this is the fifth important function of management, that is controlling. So we studied today 5 important functions of management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Thank you.